Welcome to your grounding yoga nidra class. So this class is beautiful to do to begin the day, to do at the end of the day if you need some restorative time, if you need a little bit of a rest. Yoga nidra is very beneficial for your mind and for your body. 20 minutes of yoga nidra is equivalent to 4 hours sleep. So if you're looking for somewhere to just recharge, then any one of these yoga nidras that I do for you are available for you. So all you're going to need is yourself. Lie down somewhere comfortable and let's get started. Lying down comfortably on your back, supported. Listening to the body and choosing the position that best suits you right now for this practice of grounding. Getting ready for this grounding practice of yoga nidra. Cushioning your head with a pillow or a blanket. Cover yourself with a blanket if that helps you feel more grounded. Just listening and answering the call. What is your body asking for in this moment? Propping and positioning yourself in any way you'd like. During this practice, you can move your body anytime you need, but make sure you feel comfortable so that you don't want to move. Check that everything is just right. Check that your feet are comfortable. Legs are comfortable. Hips are comfortable. The whole back, arms and hands, shoulders, neck, jaw, tongue, forehead. The whole body as comfortable as can be. Feel the support of the surface beneath you. Let it hold you as you completely surrender to gravity. Letting go into the support. Allow your body to sink into the earth beneath you. Settling into the earth, held by the earth, unconditionally, without expectation, nothing expected of you, nothing to do. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of anything that you think you need to do right now. There's nothing you need to do. Nothing you have to think about. Set everything aside. Body is settling in. Attention is drawing inward. Inhale, feeling present in this moment. Exhale, letting go of anything outside of this moment. Inhale, feeling present in this moment. Exhale, letting go of anything outside of right here, right now. Allow your sense of hearing to extend out like a microphone, receiving sounds but without analyzing. Simply receiving objectively. Receiving any sounds. The furthest sounds, nearest sounds, maybe even the sounds within your body. The sound of your own breath. Become aware of the body. Be aware of the whole body from the top of your head to the toes, and from the toes up to the crown of your head. Be aware that your body is resting comfortably. feel stillness in your body. If at any time you need to move, then move. Otherwise, you're free to settle in to the comfort you've built for yourself. Feel free to do nothing. Absolute comfort, just as you like it, just for you, effortless. Now is the time to make your resolve or sankalpa. The resolve should be very simple. This could be a short positive statement in simple language, and we will state this 3 times with an awareness, feeling, and passion. The wording must be clear. For example, I surrender to the moment, or I let go of what does not serve me. Find a sankalpa for you. Find an intention that you would like to manifest. I will give you time. Once you've set your sankalpa, there's no reason to change it. Basically, you're planting a seed in the conscious mind. Now say your sankalpa 3 times silently to yourself. Now move your awareness into the body, deep into the bones, taking an effortless journey throughout the body from point to point, freely shifting awareness from one point to the next. Don't get stuck on any one point. No need to concentrate, think, or analyze. There's no way to do this incorrectly. Simply keep moving awareness swiftly and freely. Start by becoming aware of the right side of the body. Become aware of the right hand, right thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, effortless. Right wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, right side of the ribs, right side of the waist, hip, thigh, knee, lower leg, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Move awareness to the left side. Become aware of the left hand, left thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, left wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, left side of the ribs, left side of the waist, hip, thigh, knee, lower leg, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Move your awareness to the crown of the head, forehead, right temple, left temple, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, eyebrow center, right eye, left eye, right ear, left ear, right cheek, left cheek, right nostril, left nostril, upper lip, lower lip, chin, throat center, right collarbone, left collarbone, right side of the chest, left side of the chest, heart center, navel, pelvis. Move awareness to the back of the body, right buttock, left buttock, lower back, middle back, upper back, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, back of the neck, back of the head, crown of the head. Move awareness down to the right leg, the whole left leg, both legs together, the whole torso, the whole right arm, the whole left arm, neck, head, the whole front of the body, the whole back of the body. Become aware of the whole body together, the whole body together, the whole body together. Breath awareness. Now become aware of the breath in the nostrils, just as it is. No need to do anything. Simply be aware of the breath. Notice the breath coming in like two streams through the nostrils. Feel the streams flowing in along the floor of the nasal passages, and feel the breath flowing out. Streams of air flowing in along the floor of the nasal passages, and streams of air flowing out. Bring your awareness to your right nostril. Follow the inhalation through your right nostril, and as you exhale, feel it flow out through your left. Keep awareness on the left nostril as you inhale, and exhale, feel the breath flow out through the right. Inhale through the right. Exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Count 1. Exhale through the left. 2. Inhale through the left. 3. Exhale through the right. 4. Inhale through the right. 5. Exhale through the left. 6. Keep counting up to 54. If you lose track, start again. Now let go of the count. Completely let go of the count. It doesn't matter what number you are at, or if the mind wandered, simply let go of the count. Taking yourself back to your body, create a feeling of heaviness in the body, a feeling of grounding. Notice what it feels like to feel heavy, feel grounded. Where in the body do you feel this sensation the most? Feel where your body connects to the earth. As you rest on the sensation of feeling heavy, now feel your head light, your hands light, arms light, torso light, hips light, thighs light, calves light, heels light. Each inhale, you feel yourself getting lighter and lighter and lighter. You're as light as a feather. You're so light that you could fly between the ceiling and the floor. Create a feeling of lightness in the body. Feel yourself floating here, effortless, weightless, light as a feather. Notice what it feels like physically in the body to rest on the sensation of feeling light, feeling weightless. Now go back to the sensation of feeling heavy. Now light. Now heavy. Now light. Heavy. Rest on the sensation of feeling heavy, grounded, feeling your whole body heavy here on the earth. If you find that you've drifted off to sleep, see if you can come back to the sound of my voice now. Resting here, I want you to imagine your body sitting up off the floor, and in front of you is a wooden door. You walk over towards the wooden door and open the wooden door. Now imagine you've stepped through the wooden door and now you're outside. You're looking at the earth that has just been covered in a beautiful blanket of white snow. The sun is shining through the trees, and now you can feel the warmth and the freshness of the air all around you. You sit quietly listening to the earth speak, hearing the sun melting, feeling the sun on your face, and your body grounded, peaceful, warm, safe. You begin to hear the birds sing, and the earth start to uncover its blanket of white. You slowly begin to rise, taking a step, feeling the snow under your feet, hearing and feeling the crackle with each footprint. You enter a road that takes you down to a beautiful farmhouse where there is a sign that says, "All beings are welcome." A fire is lit and there are seats surrounding it. You begin to journey to that space. As you become closer to the fire, you feel the warmth, first externally and then internally. The fire that you feel and hear and witness around you begins to flicker inside of you. You begin to notice how each cell feels alive in your body. Alive, grounded, spacious. Off in the distance, You see a small lake. The water is dancing as the sunlight sparkles. You begin to feel the fluidity of the water seep into the body. As your body softens, you feel supported by the earth, warmed by the fire, and fluid like the water. You start to bring some awareness back to your breath as you inhale and exhale the beautiful crisp air. The air moves into your grounded, warm, relaxed body. In this moment, you feel connected to everything. You feel in the flow. You begin to notice a gentle, soft, warm breeze brush your body. In this moment, you know that you're connected to everything around you, all the elements of the earth, fire, air, water, and wind, all within you and surrounding you. The time has come for you to journey back to the field. With each step, you feel grounded, warm, alive, refreshed, relaxed, and at peace, connected to the earth, hearing your heart and knowing your truth. As your journey back to the pathway, you begin to think about your Sankalpa. With your eyes closed, you begin to visualize this as it's already happened, knowing that you are the deserving of all your dreams and desires, deserving of all that you wish for. You come back to the wooden door. You open the wooden door. Step back through the wooden door. Close the wooden door behind you. You walk over to your mat or where you're laying. You lie yourself back down onto the earth. Feel the earth beneath your body, beneath your heels, hips, your shoulders, and your head. Feel all the places where your body is connected to the earth between you. Once again, become aware of the breath. Be aware that the body is breathing. Feel the sensation of your abdomen and the chest rising and falling with each breath. Feel the sensation of the breath through the nostrils. Notice the sensation of your body resting, the position of your body, any props under, on, or around you. Notice the texture of any fabric against the skin. Notice the temperature of the air on your skin. Be aware of the physical body. Externalize your awareness, listening for sounds within the room. Become aware of the room you're in, the floor, the walls, the ceiling, the objects in the room. Awareness of the room you're in. Awareness of your body resting comfortably in the room. Take a deep breath in, bringing awareness back into the body and back into the room. Yoga Nidra is now complete. Begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Stretch or move your body in any way you like. If you're lying down, when you're ready, you can roll onto your right side. Take a few deep breaths, keeping your eyes closed if you can, taking as much time as you need. Take a deep breath in, feel the energy start to rise again, yet feel grounded and connected to the earth beneath you. Feel your connection to the earth beneath you, stable and secure. Slowly start opening up the eyes and bring yourself to a seated position, or if you're going to sleep, gently drift off to sleep. Thank you for joining me for our grounded yoga nidra session. I hope you enjoyed it. Namaste.